Melissa. Happy Friday. I promised you a big day and I have some big little news. If you haven't noticed, over on the Silhouette America website, there is a brand new machine just released today. It is just released right now. It is the Silhouette Portrait 3. It is the 3rd edition of my first baby. This is my first machine ever, is the Silhouette Portrait, and I started everything on that. So this portrait is close to my heart, and this is the 3rd edition. So I'm going to do an unboxing, and then we are going to talk about another thing that you might see over on the website, which is on the Silhouette America website, which is the launch of the new Silhouette app called Silhouette Go. We are actually going to try to run this on Silhouette Go today, so we'll see if this works, okay? So I put 3 blog posts up for you today. One is an intro and to the Portrait 3, which is available for order, not even pre-order. On the Silhouette website, it says pre-order, but you can order and they're shipping now directly from Swing. So I put that link up there. Then I put a link to features and comparison. It compares it to the Cameo 3, it compares it to the Portrait 2, it compares it to the Cameo 4, it compares it to the CRICUT Joy, okay? And then we talk about some features, which I'll get into here, and then I have some info on the new Silhouette app, which I just looked. It doesn't look like it's in the app stores yet, but it's supposed to be released. Silhouette confirmed to me multiple times it's being released at the same time in beta version, okay? All right, so let's get this unboxed. I'm gonna move this out of the way, and we will do this. So I am so fortunate to be able to have gotten this a couple of weeks ago, so I actually already unboxed it, but I know you guys love unboxing, so I put it all back together for you, okay? All right, so super light, comes very light. The great thing about the Portrait, which I love, is it's easy, it's fast, and it does everything that the larger machines do, but it's so compact, it's so small, it's really light. And so it's a really great portable machine or travel machine, or if you just only have room, like a little bit of room up on a shelf, it's perfect, okay? All right, so I'm gonna get this all out. It comes with a cutting mat, okay? You can cut with or without a mat, and you can also do the matless cutting on unlined like paper and things, the matless pop out, all right? Okay, so let's get this out, and this is 3.5 pounds. I mean, seriously, like I have, my little weights are bigger than this, heavier than this, okay? So it's awesome because it's so small and light, but it can cut 8 inches by 60 feet, okay? So you have still can really cut really well, really long pieces with it. Okay, so look, here you go. All right, so this is brand new. Now, a couple things you'll notice. It comes with the auto blade. It is a single carriage, comes with the auto blade, but this is the same auto blade that you use in the Cameo 4, okay? Now, one thing, I'm gonna try to pull you a little bit closer here if I can. Oh, it can do print and cut as well. It would be, actually the print and cut is the same as if you were using your Cameo 4 on your regular 8.5 by 11 printer, because it is the same size paper. Okay, so you have the same, you can do sticker sheets and everything. All right, so this is the rest of the stuff that came in the box, okay? Literally a cord. This is part of the power cord. Now, because this has the same carriage as the Cameo 4, you can use the same tools as you can use in the regular carriage of the Cameo 4. However, you need adapters. And for some reason, the Portrait 3 only comes with the sketch pen adapter. It doesn't come with the black or the white adapters. Now, Swing has put together a couple of bundles that include the extra adapters. And if you want to use the 2mm craft blade or the pen holder, you can get those from Swing Design all as one bundle. It's just, I think it's like $10 more for that bundle that comes with all of the adapters. But out of the box, what you're getting is the auto blade and the blue adapter. This is for the sketch pens, okay? The Silhouette brand sketch pens. All right, and then you have the the blade. This is the tool to take the top off or ratchet, okay? All right, and then you have power cord and the USB cord, okay? So let's power this on. Got all this stuff. This is literally just out of the box. So you can see how this is a really easy out of the box machine. And we, like I said, are going to try to cut with it using the brand new Silhouette Go, which is the Silhouette mobile app that's also being announced today. It only works on Bluetooth machines, and since the Portrait 3 is Bluetooth, it will work on there. Okay, so I don't even need this. This is a USB cord, so I'm not even going to use that today. Hopefully we can get this going. Okay, power cord. I have my other power cords right here, but I'll just plug this one in anyway. Okay, all right, so auto blade in, okay. Power cord goes on the side. Like I said, I love this because it is so small and so light and so compact, but it still cuts. It can still do everything that the larger machines can do, with the exception of the Cameo for specialty tools, okay? It doesn't have that carriage. All right, so let's power this on, okay? And this is the Bluetooth. It's already got the Bluetooth light is on. I just need to open the mat. Okay, cutting mat, gridded cutting mat, all right? 8 by 12, okay? All right, so I can't use my phone because I'm using my phone for the live. Shoot, I didn't even think of that. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna tell you that it works. And here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna grab one of the kids' phones, hopefully, Olivia's phone, I guess, and we'll see if we can do a Facebook Live on that, and then I'll meet you back here and we'll do the mobile app. You're gonna have to give me some time. But if you have any questions on the Portrait 3, I can answer those now. Those of you who are wondering, can you use it with, what other tools can you use it with? You can use it with the ratchet blade, you can use it with the sketch pens, you can use it with the 2mm craft premium blade, deep cut blade. All of those though, however, will need adapters, as I said, and the Portrait 3 doesn't come out of the box with it, but if you buy a bundle from Swing, they've created a couple of bundles that have them. The other thing is, because it uses the second edition of the Auto Blade, which is the same one as the Cameo 4, it has auto tool detection. So it has this, when you put it in here, all right, it will auto detect, okay? So you have that. This is a 2mm clearance, which is a higher clearance than the older machines, and I mean the older Portrait, the Portrait 1. The Portrait 2 had a higher clearance as well, okay? So this is, like I said, this is the second new machine that Silhouette has released this year, and we are really hoping it's not the last. I'm pretty sure we're gonna see a third one, another new machine released this year, but I can't tell you much more on that right now, okay? And someone's asking, how big is it? It is 8 inches wide, but can cut up to 60 feet long. That's the Portrait. It's what I like to sometimes call the mini Cameo. Runs on the same software. And it has all the same capabilities. Print and cut, there's a pick scan mat. You can obviously cut all the regular materials. You can cut with or without a mat. And lined material can be cut without a mat even. This also, if you want a roll feeder for it, the old roll feeder, it doesn't have a built-in roll feeder, but the old roll feeder will work with it. It just hooks onto these feet at the bottom, okay? Someone's asking, when are you going to get the 25-inch? There's not a 25-inch Silhouette, so I'm not sure about that. I love the Portrait. Yeah. So what I like about the Portrait and what a lot of people use them for is there's three main people. People who don't have enough room in their machine. I mean, in their crafting space. Okay, you just have a small machine. You are a brand new person and you're like, I'm not sure if I want to commit to a $2.99 Cameo. Let me start with this. That was me. right? And that's when I, about 6 months in, was like, okay, I need the bigger machine. Then there are people who use them for when they're traveling. So if you have a camper, and who doesn't have a camper anymore? Everybody's got campers now, it seems like, with the pandemic. So it's easy to travel with, all right? Or if you just need a second machine at like a, I don't know, if you just want to travel with it. Or if you want to customize on the go. So if you want to bring this with you to like a craft show, it doesn't take up much room, but it can still do all the same things that the larger machine can do. You can do that. It fits right in. I've literally put this in my purse. I have a big purse, but I have literally put the portrait in my purse before when I needed to carry it to like my friend's house or something to do a quick little thing. All right. Okay. So we're going to wrap this up, and then I'm going to be back hopefully in a couple minutes to show you how to use it with Silhouette Mobile, the Silhouette Mobile app, which is called Silhouette Go. Okay. I totally didn't, I literally felt like I thought everything through. And the bigger Cameo Pro, yeah, the Cameo Pro is coming soon, but it's not 25 inches. So, yes, okay. All right, you guys, I will be back shortly. I did not think this through about how I would show you how to use the app when my phone is the thing that's recording this. Duh. Okay, all right, I'll be back really quickly. Bye.